Okay, we're headed into Grandview 7 right now. And when we turn up here, you'll see a large tree that just, I don't know, man, just crazy large tree that fell out of someone's yard here. We were here on last night, and it was hectic last night. A lot of first responders here, a lot of people just walking up and down the streets. See, most of these privacy fences are destroyed. I met a guy today at Casey's, and he told me that his neighbor had an $8,000 fence just totally destroyed. Just put it up last summer. More tree damage right here. You can see metal twisted off into those trees right there as well. There's a few down power lines over this way too, so we were being extra careful, of course. Lot of tree damage. A couple of these houses had trees on the roofs of them. Just a lot of shocked people in just total disbelief as these storms roll through around 11:30, 12 o'clock this morning. More horrible tree damage through here. Just a lot of shingles laying in the road, a lot of debris. We saw about 3, maybe 4 trampolines in the street where they've blown out of people's backyard. Lane right there in the middle of the street. Come up on this vehicle here, you're going to see a bed cover for a truck, but it's not to this truck. Here it is right here on the left. That bed cover is not to that truck. A lot of shingles in the road here. We saw roofers there early this morning, so they were getting it done early this morning. This area up here is called Grandview 7, and it's just west of Hilldale High School, or Hilldale School. Tree damage right here, huge tree right here, just blown over like a toothpick, just destroyed. More tree damage here on the left. I mean, just totally destroyed that huge tree right there in that yard. damage right here as you're going out. Grandview 7 here. See these telephone poles here. Telephone poles here and in front of Hilldale High School, all just broken. You can see them there on the left. Just broken like small toothpicks as that tornado roared through here. Grandview 7 on early this morning. Hilldale High School, you can see these telephone poles that I was telling you about just laid over. Here they are on the left. All of these poles just laid over. It's like the tornado just rolled down the street here and destroyed all of these telephone poles. I didn't see a lot of damage here at Hilldale High School. I think some was reported. It's broken. guys. Thanks for riding with me. This is Grandview 7 after that tornado early this morning. Trying my editing skill. I'll get better. Y'all bear with me. It's your main man Monday. Y'all be safe out there.